Hey guys, I'm Shahad. Welcome back to my channel. You might seem to think that there is some changes around here, and also that I have nails on this hand and this I don't. Well, first of all, it's because my lighting just decided to not work. Yeah, so I am actually sitting right in front of my window and filming with natural light, if you know what I mean. I think I've never filmed without an actual ring light, if you know what I mean. This is unprofessional, I know, because I set up the whole thing and I really wanted to film a video, and then the lighting decided not to work on me. So I'm gonna start. Yeah, I'm gonna start. Okay, the lighting is nice. Anyway, so I wanted to do a look that I found on. Okay, so this artist, Amy the Duchess, on Instagram, I saw her look right here and I loved it so much. She called this look Touch of a Rainbow. She actually does like something really soft and natural on the eyes, and then just a slight touch of a fun, colorful rainbow liner or something like that. I love the idea, so I thought, why not try it? And here I am. So let's get started. Guys, this is so weird. I have never filmed without no light in this thing. Anyway, it's kind of weird. But anyway, let's get started. But before that, I really want to know if you actually saw my last video or not. I talked about the my kind of skincare, and this pretty lady right here, this is the Luna 2 from FOREO. I still use it, still love it so much, and as you can, I don't know if you can see or not, but my face is pretty much just, it's good. She's really good. I've been feeling good. And I also use this side right here that I talked to you about. I don't know if you remember or not, but this side is for your wrinkles or fine lines, where you can go. Well, actually, I use a serum, and after that I just click it, and it had the simulation that and go like this, where I can anywhere that I have like lines around my mouth and the eye area where you tend to have like kind of fine lines or like wrinkles or something. This really helps so much. And also about the exfoliation, I talked about that a lot. It helps improve my skin better. I mean, I do have nice skin, not to brag, but this is what I prefer, and I've been enjoying it so much, and it's really gentle on my face. This is for sensitive skin. I will link it there, website and stuff, so you can get yours, or you could choose whatever you want. And I also recommend this because this doesn't have plastic bristles or nylon. This is very eco-friendly, so I really do hope get into that. And especially at this time of month, if you're fasting, you tend to get, maybe you're not drinking enough water, you're not hydrated enough. This will help you a lot as well. So don't forget to get yours. But other than that, yeah, let's get ready with the tutorial. Okay, first I'm gonna prime my face with this NYX color correcting liquid primer. I don't think this actually does much, but I just want to try because she's been laying here for a while now. And as I said, I saw this beautiful makeup artist, Amy the Duchess, on Instagram, and I loved her look. I'm gonna put it right here. Yeah, a touch of a rainbow, which this look does have, like a touch of a rainbow. Like she has this beautiful like liner thingy going on. I've been like loving so much colorful rainbow looks, all because of Anastasia. But I'm going to use my Milani Conceal and Perfect foundation. If she could focus for a second right here. And I am in the shade Creamy Vanilla. And I also wanted to try out, I've tried this before, Jelly Bean, but I wanted to use it under my foundation. I just want to use it under the places that I really want to highlight. So she will be, oops. I took a little bit on my hand, on my finger, and I'm just gonna use it right here. Okay, I'm just gonna. I'm not sure when I did that here, but let's see what happened. I'm not sure if actually this is gonna show, because this the foundation that I'm about to use is a bit thick and high in coverage, so I'm really not sure about how it's gonna work, but we'll see. A foundation right on the back of my hand. don't get scared because this oxidizes and it does turn out great for my skin shade. And for concealer, I'm going in with my Fenty Beauty Pro Filtr Concealer. Okay, and I'm quickly setting the under eye with also the Fenty Beauty Pro Filtr powder in the shade Banana. And before setting my whole face, I'm gonna go again with the Versali Jelly Beam, and I'm just gonna put it right where I also want to highlight again. Again, set my whole face with the Fenty Pro Filtr powder in the shade Banana again. For the eyes, I'm going to use James Charles Morphe palette, and I also, before starting with the eyes, I wanted to use the brown shade right here because I saw like a lot of people talk about how they actually use this for bronzer, and I'm going to use that, which is the shade like this one right here, which is 10% off. I'm going to use that a little bit. It does look a little bit orangey, so I might, we'll see. Oh! Whoa, okay, I was wrong about that. This is the shade right next to it. It's a little bit darker, so let's see. Way pigmented now. I don't know what I'm doing. Please help. Send help. Okay, I might got a little bit out of hand, but we'll work it out a little bit. I don't know if it's because of the foundation or not, but I think this was not a good idea. It's kind of getting patchy, but that's fine. Okay, so I'm gonna do off camera my eyes first. I'm gonna do my brows with the Benefit Brow Contour Pro, and I'm gonna use my Anastasia Clear Gel for that. I'm gonna do my brows one eye off camera, and I'll be right back to do the rest of the eye. Okay guys, I am back and one eye is done right here. I'm gonna zoom in right here, but I just want to, it is so easy, so effortlessly, and I love the concept. It's really nice. So I don't want the sun to go away, so I'm just gonna quickly dive in and just, but look at that, that is so nice. It's fun. I did not use lashes or anything right now. First, to prime my lids, I am going to use the P.LOUISE base, and this is in the shade 2. And now I'm going to dip into the shade Canvas for the brow bone under here. So she has this kind of like a highlighted under brow bone. So I'm using the shade Canvas just on this side. This type of a brush right here. And I'm dipping in the shade and I'm puffing it right. Like I'm just going to dab right on the crease. And then I'm going to line. 10% off. Okay, and then I'm gonna take like a normal blending brush, and I'm dipping in the shade 10% off, and I am just going to blend it upwards, blending these two shades together and blending it a little bit upwards. And then I'm dipping in the shade code James. And again, this is the last shade. We're gonna blend it. Okay, now it's time for the fun part. I'm gonna do like the cut crease, and then we're gonna do this fun liner. I'm taking the base again, so the colors would pop more. This type of a brush, it's like a thin painting brush, and I'm just going on over the lid. Rainbowy liner look now. First I'm going to dip in the shade, this yellow shade right here. And then going with this orangey shade right here. And then purple shade. Then again, I'm gonna cut the crease. For the cut crease right here for the lid, I'm just gonna take the shade Canvas and this white shade right here, and I'm just gonna... Okay, so I actually like this eye better than this one. I don't know if you can see the difference, and the lighting is awful, everything is awful. I'm just gonna put on mascara, lashes, and eyeliner. Okay, and as you can see, like, the sun has like... there's really literally no time. So I am just gonna quickly use a blush, and I'm using the Milani Baked Blush, and this is in the shade Dolce Pink. And for highlighter, I'm using my absolute new fave, the Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer, and this is in the shade, what is this? This is Pearl, just Pearl. And now lips. And this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this look so far. I'm sorry about the lighting. I really have some issues, technical issues, but I will get them as soon as possible. I just love this look and I wanted to do something new. Also, Ramadan Kareem. I hope everybody is enjoying the Ramadan and having a great time with their families. Let me know what you think of this look. What do you want to see next? If there is something in your minds, and hopefully everything is great so far. I love this look. Please go check out this beautiful, talented artist page and tell her I said hi and follow her. That is all I have to say. I hope you guys enjoyed this look, this tutorial. I hope I did her justice. that is it. That is all I have to say. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you in the next video. Bye. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I just uploaded a new video on YouTube. Please be sure to check it out and tell me what you guys think. I did a tutorial on this look right here, and yeah, I would love to know your thoughts. Ramadan Kareem. I hope you guys are having an amazing time and having an amazing Ramadan. And yeah, thank you guys so much. Bye.